Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoho Vault master password. Keeping your account secure is crucial, and updating your master password regularly is an important step in protecting your sensitive information. First, navigate to the Zoho Vault webpage and enter your login credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email address associated with your account to avoid any issues. Once you've logged in, you may be prompted to re-enter your password to unlock full access to your vault. This extra verification ensures that only you can make changes to critical account settings. With full access, open Zoho Vault if it doesn't automatically launch after logging in. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as this is where you'll manage all your Vault settings. Next, locate the settings option, typically found in the top right corner of the screen, and click on it. Within the settings menu, look for the security section. This is where key security options are managed, including the option to change your master password. Click on Change Master Password to proceed. On the new screen, enter your current password. This verification step confirms that it's really you making these changes. Afterward, input your new password. Choose a strong password that's both memorable and difficult for others to guess, typically a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter the new password in the confirmation field to ensure there are no typos and that both entries match exactly. Below these fields, you'll see a checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions related to changing your master password. Make sure to click this box to acknowledge the agreement. Finally, click on Change Master Password. Your new password is now active and will be used for all future logins to Zoho Vault. Regularly updating your passwords is an excellent habit for maintaining online security, and using a password manager can help you keep track of multiple complex passwords. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Zoho tutorials.